Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to fix Gmail app not working on your iPhone after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste your time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, there are many solutions to fix this problem. Solution number one is check the app update. Simply tap on the App Store and search here Gmail. Tap on it. You can see update is pending. If you also have any pending update on your iPhone, update this app and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check your internet connection. Make sure you have a good internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Connect your Wi-Fi or cellular data and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying this solution number three. Solution number three is reset network settings. Simply tap on the settings. You can see appears on screen. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Reset network setting and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying this solution number four. Solution number four is check the iOS update. Tap on the settings. Little bit scroll up, tap on general. Tap on software update. Make sure your iPhone has update latest variant. If update is pending, please download and install and fix your problem. If solution number 4 is not working, now we're applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset all settings. Tap on settings. Little bit scroll up to find general. Again scroll up, transfer or reset iPhone. Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset all the settings and fix your problem. If solution number 5 is not working, now we're applying this solution number 6. The solution number 6 is restart your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button until when you see Apple logo appears on screen. Slide to power off, restart your iPhone, wait 10 to 15 seconds and fix your problem. If all the solutions are not working, kindly visit the support.apple.com and fix your problem. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.